So that's why you have to start black soja fry farming, because it's a solution for your animals. This is what we call a tractor. So a tractor you can use any kind of waste to attract flies. During adult flies, they need water. They need the water, just a water, and a tractor. So water, it helps. Those adult flies to have energy, to say to live a long time. But welcome to Marius Spark. Today I'm going to teach you and show you how to start black soja fry farming everywhere you are. If you are in Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, America, Canada, Europe, and so on of the world. So I'm going to show you black soja fry farming. Wow, come and see. Welcome to black soja fry farming. You see, some people, they farm cow, they farm goat, they farm chicken, they farm fish, they farm everything. But me, I decided to start black soja fry farming. So as you see here, those are black soja fry farming. Yeah. You see? Do you see how they fry? What? You see? Wow. Wow. Do you hear the sound of black soja fry farming? Wow. So, something I want to tell you today is about black soja fry farming everywhere you are. But subscribe, like, share, and comment. Those are black soja fry farming. This is the house of black soja fry farming. This is temperatures. That is temperature. We use it to look, to know how the temperature or humidity is inside. So now I'm going to show you black soja fry. Wow. Black soja fly. Do you see? Perhaps it's the first time you see that small insect. It's a tiny insect. Wow, this is black soja fry farming. So this one, it gives us everything we just already showed you. Those fries, it lays eggs, and after laying eggs, it gives us small larvae, and those small larvae, they grow, and after we get what we call fresh larvae. So after fresh larvae, we harvest and we feed our chicken. I'm going to feed chicken for giving fresh larvae, as you see here, fresh larvae. So look how they enjoy for eating fresh larvae. Wow, look how they eat. Wow. So they enjoy, really, they enjoy. That's why everyone, if you want to raise a chicken poultry, an easy way and for using a real capital, so you can start black soja fry farming. Our fish and our pig. Wow, look. So many people, they don't know more about black soldier fry
Some
farming.
people, they are producing oil from it. Some people, they are doing. Some people, they are producing biogas from that farming. So why not us? We want to reach so far.
But today, I'm here to explore more or to tell you more about black soldier farming. Here in this small lab cage is not the cage or the net which we use in our house to protect some mosquito, but now this is net. It's a for black soldier fly farming. Inside we need 4 things. The first of all, one is a pip. Pip is the seed of black soldier fly farming. Then after pip, we got what we call a tractor. This is what we call a tractor. So a tractor you can use any kind of waste to attract flies. But here we use a tractor which is good for human being health. So here we use organic of soja bean. So organic of soja bean. We use organic of soja bean. So now this, it has a good a strong smell. Wow, it has a strong smell. Wow. It has a good and long smell. So now I'm going to put in lab cage another adult flies. They lay eggs because after smelling, after hearing smelling, they come on the timbers to lay eggs. Wow. So I'm going to open. So it's just to add. It's just to add some attractor. So now I'm going to add attractor, and I'm going to put. Okay, this is attractor, and bring camera here. So now I just already finished to add some attractor. So now you can see here, those are attractor. They enjoy, they hear smell, and those are smell. It's a good for flies. After hearing smell, they come to lay eggs. So attractor, it helps us to have a strong smell in order flies to lay eggs. And the other thing we need water. So now we are going to give water those flies because they don't need anything to eat. During adult flies, they need water. They need the water, just a water, and a tractor. So water, it helps those adult flies to have energy, to live a long time. But a tractor, it helps to have a strong smell in order to lay eggs. So now we are going to show you how we give those adult flies water. So we are going to put some water on this cotton, because when we use cotton, it can be stored. It can be stored a long time with water, and the flies, it come to drink water. So now I'm going to show you. This is water. This is water. This is water. This is water. So this is water. So I'm going to put to deposit this of water into the lab cage. Wow. Immediately when I put water here, the fries, the adult fries, they come, they come to drink. Look how they come to drink. They come to break here, and they come to drink water here. Wow, you see? Yeah, they drink water. They don't know anything to eat, but they want water. So now we deposit here. So you can see. Wow, look. Good. Water, those fries here, they don't need anything to eat, but they need smell and water. Those attractor, it helps adult fries to lay eggs, and the water gives fries to have energy to live a long time or to have energy. Other thing we need, we have to have inside. That is what we call timbers. That timbers, fries, they come here to lay eggs. After laying eggs, we came to collect eggs. As you see here inside, there are eggs. There are eggs. Look how the eggs looks like. Wow. Those things we need. And after that, you can start black soldier fly farming. So here, this is the room of feeding fresh larvae. So fresh larvae, some of you can think, you can think, what is larvae? But now I'm going to show you. So after eggs hatching, then we got what's called small larvae. We're going to show you. Now, oh, come here. Wow. Do you see? Yeah. Those are BSF eggs. BSF eggs. So BSF are eggs after hatched. Then they come here in this what we call the food of hatching, and then they start to eat. After eating, we are going to show you how the larvae looks like. So I'm gonna show you. Okay, you see this one? See this one? Wow. Those are fresh larvae. Fresh larvae. Can you imagine? From adult fries to fresh from adult fries lay eggs hatched. The result, as you see, fresh larvae. Wow. And then after getting those fresh larvae, we're going to show you how the chicken like to eat fresh larvae. Okay, let me feed small. Wow. You see? Wow. Come. Wow. They look. Wow. Wow. How they do, how they eat. They eat. Wow, wow, wow. Some they are full. They have a feed up. They enjoy. So that's why you have to start black soldier fry farming, because it's a solution
for your animals, for your poultry, your fish, your pig, and so on. After that, you know, if you are farmer, you can get organic fertilizer. Wow, look at this chicken. Okay, can you imagine? Look this one. Wow. So thank you for watching this video.
I'm Marius Spark. It's just to show you how we're doing black soldier fly farming and tell you more about black soldier fly farming. So you can start your own coney, you can start your own farming. Is we are doing this because that black soldier fly farming, it will help us to get the food of feeding our chicken, fish, pig. So if you have a question, you can see my WhatsApp number or email on the description, and you can send me an email or a message on WhatsApp. I will help you to know more about black soldier fly farming. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment. We love you. The next video.